In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to apply for the Citi Strata Elite credit card. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to citi.com. And then from here, you'll need to go over to credit cards and then explore credit cards and then view all credit cards. And then from here, you'll find in one of the first one over here, Citi Strata Elite credit card. When you click on it, you'll see this page right here. But then from here, you'll be able to click apply now. From here, application page will pop up where you'll need to add in your details. So let's go over it. As you can see here, if you're already a Citi customer, you can have a filled pre-applied application by signing on here. But then all of these details will automatically be visible for you. But if you don't have a Citi account, you'll need to enter your first name, middle name, last name, suffix, email address, social security number, or ITIN number. You'll also need to add in your date of birth with month, day, and year. You'll be asked whether or not you're a US citizen, and if you're not, you will need to select the country that you are resident of. From here, you also need to enter your address and phone details, like street address, apartment, zip code, city, state, and whether or not you have a PO box, and then you'll need to write in your PO box information right here. You'll also need to enter your mobile phone number so Citi can contact you whether or not you have been approved for this credit card. You can also add if you have a home phone number where you can select your mobile phone number and home phone mobile number. Down here, you'll need to enter your financial information like total annual income and monthly mortgage or rent payments. You can also click here if you're part of my total annual income except from the US federal income tax, and then you'll need to write that right here. From here, you'll also be able to enter your membership information, like whether or not you have an AA Advantage number, and here you can choose either yes, no, I have an A Advantage number but I don't know it. If you click no or yes, you'll be able to enter your AA Advantage number right here. You can also down here enter your authorized users, and you can add up to 5 users per credit card, meaning that 5 credit card will be sent to you, or how many credit cards that is needed. You can also down here enter a security word where you can add a security hint and security word down here. Lastly, you'll see the terms and conditions where you'll need to read all of this about the credit card, and once you've done that, you can click by checking this box. You understand that you have agreed to this information over here, and by checking this box, I agree to the paperless terms and conditions, alert terms and conditions, and acknowledge the following, and then acknowledge all of these terms and conditions right here. From here, you can see, you note you must check all boxes before submitting the application, or else you will not be approved for the credit card. From here, you'll click agree and approve. But from here, you'll get an email from Citibank about that you have been sent this approval for this specific credit card, and in a couple of days you will get an answer whether or not you have been approved. That's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!